is my Saturday night in. I hope this all encourages you all to have fun, a Saturday wholesome indoor social distancing activities. Good morning, happy Saturday. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Angelica. I like to make videos about college, lifestyle, fun stuff, dumb stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to click subscribe, follow me on social media, and be part of the community. By the way, those are masks, drying, wear your masks, wash your masks, the cloth type. And anyways, today I wanted to take you guys just on a casual Saturday vlog. My hair's a little gross. I'm gonna hop in the shower, get ready. Let's get the day started. Showered, we're gonna eat lunch now because it's totally past lunchtime. It was a late start today. My mom made tteokbokki, which is Korean spicy rice cake, so we are going to microwave this, and then on top of that, I'm going to be adding some Monterey Jack cheese because cheese on top of rice cakes, spicy situation, delicious, so let's go do that. Boom, delicious. Let's eat. Does anybody else do this with their hair? They just like put it like in a thing-mabob. Anyways, we're gonna be eating a tteokbokki, also known as tteokbokki, as like non-Korean people say. I'm also gonna be putting some sesame seeds, so look at that cheese. Hello, I am vlogging on my Pixel. I've never vlogged on this phone before, but we are now at Trader Joe's. We are gonna go inside, make sure we have our masks. So we are in line at Trader Joe's. We're gonna get our groceries for the week, some vegetables, some snacks, some yummy other Trader Joe's stuff. But let me know in the comments below what you guys like to get at Trader Joe's and what the best things to get. There's some really good snacks here, so we're gonna get some. Okay, so I'm back from Trader Joe's and my hair is being a little wonky right now, but it's fine. And I'm gonna show you all what I got. So first off, we have 2 bags of organic shredded kale. This is really good in with like eggs and also just with food and smoothies, so we have that. I've never had this before, a Thai sweet chili veggie burger. So I will let you know if this is good, but the ingredients looked pretty good. 2 honey walnut shrimp frozen goodies, 2 pizza doughs. In our house, we like to make pizza on the weekends. 4 sweet potato gnocchi. This is so good with the butter sage. This is the superior thing to get at Trader Joe's. You have to get it. I love to eat it with kale. Chef's kiss. Oh, so I want to do like a picnic charcuterie spread really soon. So I bought brie. We love brie. Unexpected cheddar. This is one of the best cheeses I've ever had. It's so good. It's from Trader Joe's and it's like cheddar and Gouda and Parmesan and really good. So definitely recommend that. And then I bought this tomato basil hummus dip. Now that I'm realizing I just bought a lot of snacks. And then this Greek yogurt with honey. This is my favorite one. It's not too sweet, not too not sweet. So this one is really, really good. I like it with granola and fruits in the morning. Yummy, yummy. Love it. This cauliflower thin, it's supposed to be a bread substitute. I think I saw Remy Cruz buy this and talk about it. So I actually forgot if she said it was good or bad, but I wanted to try it, so I'm gonna do that. Restaurant style chips from Trader Joe's. This one has a flavor of lime in it, so it's really good. These pita chips, garlic sea salt parmesan, or garlic parmesan herb bok choy, because this is really good with like an egg scramble or with teriyaki sauce. Bought some English muffins, whole wheat, and a great source of fiber, and I could use some fiber because I never go to the restroom. And then I bought some more stuff for my charcuterie. We got some water crackers. Then we got some brown rice rice cakes. I like to have these in the mornings with avocado or almond butter or honey, really good, or even with an egg. Okay, I bought this because I've been hearing a lot about it and I really like this sweet and salty mixture. This is the Trader Joe's corn cookie. I'm hoping it tastes similar to the Milk Bar's corn cookie. I'm sure it's not the same, but we're gonna make these. Maybe we'll make these tonight. And then last but not least, we did get some white wine. We got some Moscato. Moscato is like a white grape wine, sweet. This one is supposed to be really good, have hints of peach and the little sign on Trader Joe's made it sound really delicious. So I'm going to try that, and I will let you know if I might just have this as it is, or maybe make a, what is it, sangria. So next I bought this dill pickle popcorn. Pretty good. It reminds me of the popcorn they sell at the Cone Town in at California Adventure at Disneyland. They have the whole, you know what I mean. They sell that, so. And then I bought, bought some small pink roses for the photos. And also, who doesn't love roses? And then this, what is this called? Angel's Breath? Water? No, I think Angel's Breath is a drug. What is this called? You know, water's breath, angel's breath. And then I bought dried lavender because one, it smells amazing and I want to put it also in the photo. But two, I want to try showering with dried lavender on this spout. I heard that's really nice and you feel expensive and bougie and like you're at a 5-star hotel. So I will let you guys know how this turns out. And right now we are going to be making some dinner because I am getting a little hungry. Okay, what's up? We are now making honey walnut shrimp for dinner. Okay, so the stovetop was taking too long and so I want to use my air fryer because I heard it makes it extra crispy. So we're gonna be doing that. Okay, so we have our honey walnut shrimp. Honestly, I'm in a rush because I'm trying to eat it fast enough to go to the golfing range with my mom. So it's not as crispy, but I could definitely throw this back into the air fry. But we love it. We're at the golf range. I'm wearing my golf fit and we're gonna hit some balls. My mom's a golf addict. Okay, so we came back from the golfing range and we're going to be, I can't talk. Going to be making corn cookie from Trader Joe's. I talked about that, I bought it earlier, but we are going to be making it tonight. Preheat to 325, so I'm going to be doing that. Got our bowl, our softened butter, well, more like melted butter, but it's mostly softened. Okay, that was, it smells like corn and cookie. Hey Google, set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes. Starting.
While we wait, we are going to pop some, not champagne, white wine. So we got this.
위로 올라올 때까지.
Wing!
그러다가 톡 떨어지면은
Cheers. 되게 맛있는데? This is delicious.
모스카토는 러브야.
Cheers. The water crackers, and then we also have these pita something flaxseed. And then we have our, oh, you guys can't even see it, unexpected cheddar and also a little bit of brie. Okay, the cookies are out and I completely forgot to vlog because I was busy eating it. Oh, whoops, sorry. It tastes very similar to the one from Milk Bar. It is a little sweet. So I wonder if there's like a way to make this any less sweet, but it is so good. So this is my Saturday night in. I hope this all encourages you all to have fun, a Saturday wholesome indoor social distancing activities. So I'm gonna wash this off and then I'm gonna do my skincare and then I'm gonna change into my pajamas and then I'm gonna do my nails and we're gonna be continuing to watch Grey's Anatomy. And maybe at night I will also start reading my book, A Year of Yes by Shonda Rhimes, also the creator of Grey's Anatomy. I'm reading this for my book club for Google, so yeah. Okay, my skin these days has been pretty awesome. I think it's because I've kind of mastered my skincare routine. I'm using the Paula's Choice Resurfacing Liquid. This thing is so good. It has BHA, so it resurfaces, also helps with acne and bumps and texture. So just take that on a cotton round and just slap that on. I've been using this since I was in like a junior year, and it's the best one. And then it locks it right in and it doesn't make it super oily. Amigo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. Is this in my head? Does anybody else hate getting creases on the spine so they read like this? That would be me. And that is it for my Saturday vlog. I know it was probably a little underwhelming, but you know what? Some days are just underwhelming. Let me know in the comments below what books you've been reading or what books you want me to read, or any book recommendations. Let me know. I will tell you how Year of Yes goes. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Help me manifest 50K by the end of this year. And once my internship ends in 2 weeks, I'm gonna be posting like 2 to 3 times a week. I'll have so much more time once I start school, which is ironic, I know, but I will have more time. And yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Good night.